Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making this really delicious and really easy to make recipe which is protein packed and is full of flavours. Today we are going to be making a Beetroot Paneer Paratha. This recipe has a really nice aesthetic, tastes really nice and is good for your health. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! We will need 1 big beetroot that has been boiled and then made a puree of, 20 grams of spring onion, 100 grams of grated paneer, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 tablespoon of a ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of dry fenugreek leaves, and then 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, sesame seeds and salt, along with 250 grams of whole wheat flour and oil as per your need. So the first step in making this recipe is making our dough. So what we're going to do for that is take our flour, add in half a teaspoon of salt, sesame seeds and cumin seeds, along with coriander and our beetroot paste. So this beetroot gives a nice kick of flavour and a really deep punch of colour to this dish too. So we're going to add in some oil and then mix all of the ingredients together. So this is to make our dough. So once you've got all of the dry ingredients mixed like so, we're going to add in our water. This will help it bind together in order to make a soft dough. So just give it a good mix. You can also knead it and keep adding water until you have a dough like this. So as you can see, it's really soft. So what we're going to do is we're going to cover it and set it aside to proof for around 10 minutes. And whilst we're doing that, we're going to take our 100 grams of grated paneer and add in some sesame seeds. We're using around half a teaspoon. Then our ginger garlic paste, along with chaat masala and the spring onion. So we're using spring onion, but you can use normal onion and just dice it up, then add it in too. Another point is that we're making a protein-packed paratha, so we're using paneer, but you can also use any cheese of your liking. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our dough that has been set aside to proof and just make small balls like this, then add some flour and roll it out like so. So once you have done this, we're going to add in our filling into the middle. You don't want to add too little as you want the nice flavour, but you also don't want to add too much as then it will probably open up. So we're just going to make sure all of the stuffing is inside like this, and then again add some flour and roll it out again. You want it to be gentle because it is full of stuffing. So just like this. And then it's time to cook. So we're going to take a heated pan and just put on our paratha. So we're going to cook it in olive oil, but you can also use any other oils or ghee. So we just let it cook on one side for a minute, and then we're going to turn it around and let it cook for another minute or minute and a half. So after that, we're going to add in around half a teaspoon of our olive oil. Just spread it around and then turn over the paratha. Then we're just going to gently tap it on all sides to make sure that it's nice and evenly cooked. Because of the beetroot colour being so bright, you will get the brown spots quite easily. That just shows that it's been nicely cooked. So again, we're just going to turn it over and gently tap on all sides. Now, as you can see, it's been cooked well, so it's time for plating. If you like this recipe, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos just like this one. Bye for now, thanks for watching, happy cooking!